Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into TikTok Ads Manager for AI creative automation. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for TikTok Ads Manager. Press enter to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will see options to log in with different methods. Select your preferred login method, such as email, phone number, or a social media account. If you choose email or phone number, enter your credentials into the provided fields. After entering your details, click on the login button. If you selected a social media account, follow the on-screen instructions to authenticate. Once logged in, you will be directed to the TikTok Ads Manager dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Look for the Creative section on the left-hand menu. Click on the Creative section to access the creative tools. Now, locate the AI Creative Automation option. Click on AI Creative Automation to enter that feature. You will then see options to create and manage automated creatives. Follow the prompts to set up your AI-driven creative campaigns. Review the recommendations and customize your settings as needed. Once you are satisfied with your configurations, save your changes. You are now ready to explore TikTok Ads Manager for AI creative automation. Enjoy optimizing your advertising experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.